It's 4:37 a.m. We've been up about 20 minutes.
Yeah. And we were awake because apparently the Thresher Sharks like to be out in the morning.
Yeah, they're usually a very deep water shark, and they apparently only come up to shallow water in certain areas where they want to be cleaned, and usually only at certain times of days. Well, that was hugely disappointing for me. I ended up not diving. I had a regulator hose explode after we put our gear together and tested everything, and then a few minutes later it just went bang. We replaced it with another one that then was just really hard to suck on, so I couldn't even breathe properly when we got into the water. So I cut my dive, came up and let Jem go on her own.
And I got a dive with Thresher Sharks, but no Alex. It was really weird diving without Alex. We've done 70 something dives together, and this is the first time I've ever dived without him, so it's a bit weird. But we went down and we sat on the bottom and we had 2 Thresher Sharks just circling around us. It was quite cool. I'm not sure if any of the footage is going to come out, but in real life it was pretty awesome. They came probably like 5 meters away, so pretty close. But yeah, it was really cool. And later we are off to an island called Kalanggaman or something like that, with a couple of dives as well. So we're hoping Alex's gear is sorted and we've got more diving and some time on a beach. Just finished my second dive, Alex's first dive of the day. It's pretty cool, nice reef, lots of little small things, turtle, lots of clownfish, and now we're on Kalanggaman Island, which is pretty much the most beautiful place I think we've been, with this sandbank that just stretches out into the turquoise blue sea.
So we're just back to the dive centre. It's been a really nice afternoon, actually morning and afternoon, all day, and we had a barbecue on a beach on Kalanggaman Kalanggaman Island. Neither of us can say it, but it's gorgeous, like a gorgeous white sandbar in the middle of nowhere. It was lush to stop there for a barbecue. The diving was great. It was all like smaller stuff. Really cool to see like a big frogfish that kind of walks, and loads of different clownfishes, which we both love. And then I'm really hoping that tomorrow won't be quite as disastrous in the morning, and I'm really hoping I can get out and see the Thresher Sharks, so fingers crossed. It's 4:40 AM, day 2, second attempt. Let's hope for no disaster, and fingers crossed we see some sharks. Second time lucky.
We saw loads today, more than yesterday, and they came like closer. It's really cool.
And the first one that we saw actually was really shallow. It was probably about 13 meters, and it was a big Thresher Shark. For a Thresher Shark, it was big.
Visibility wasn't quite as good today, but they did come a lot closer and sort of almost interact with us a bit more today, so it was really cool.
Awesome experience.
But we've got 2 more dives left today, and we're off to Gato Island.
And I'm really hoping to see some more sharks that I haven't seen any of on this trip yet, which is some reef sharks. Both dives at Gato Island today have been really interesting because of a really long cave swim through with a big white-tip reef shark at the end of it inside the cave. It's really up close. It was cool, as well as seeing seahorses and shrimp. Yeah, just loads of great stuff, and 2 really cool dives, and I'm really pleased that on both of them we've seen more sharks. So it's starting to get worried that the sharks are completely disappearing from just about everywhere. But in the Philippines, all 3 dives today, full of sharks.
It's been an awesome 3 days here in Malapascua. The diving has been amazing. The island is really nice, pretty chilled, pretty much our perfect scene. Scuba diving, chilled island, and a really cute cat. It's my new friend. So we've really enjoyed it here, but unfortunately it's our last day. Tomorrow we are heading to a new country. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. My sun lounger has been invaded.
Oh, fine.
A really cute cat.